In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the smoke transition filter on TikTok. So once you're on TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on the Discover tab there at the bottom. Then once you're on this page, you want to tap on the search bar, and in the search bar, you want to type smoke transition. Once you have found it, you want to tap on it, and there you can see it says effects and then smoke transition. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to load up the effects page and you can add it to your favorites from here, or you can try it now by tapping that little red camera button. So let's do that. And then all you need to do to create the effect is to hold down the record button. And then once you're finished, you can tap on the check mark, and then you can go ahead and post that to your TikToks. So that is how you get the smoke transition filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.